Alright, so today we're going to draw a very nice, cute puppy, and we're using the orange color. Okay, so let's start the drawing from the top. Mhm. As you know, the drawing comes from the imagination, so the color choice and other graphical details may be sometimes imaginary, and sometimes it has a particular similarities with the real life. So this is going to be the ear on the side, quite a long ear, you can see here. Okay, and I'm going to draw the face now, and another ear is coming up on the left side, so quite big ear. Here you can see the nose and the mouth and the eye. Okay, so this is the belt in the neck, and it has a special necklace. All right, for the hands we're just drawing a line, drawing the paw right now, and it's extended here. Also going to draw another one on the left side. Okay, so these two are the front legs. Now I'm going to connect. And the rear legs is just partially visible because the other parts are hidden and we cannot see because of its three-dimensional appearance. And also we have a partial view of the tail is here. Now we're going to put the black color for the eye here, and let's do the color first. Then we're going to put some blank white spaces here, as you can see. Okay, and we're going to fill it up the other parts. Okay, so for the nose we're just putting the black color at the bottom, and there was a glittering on the top, and below you can see little bit shade. Okay, and for the ear we're going to put the shades. Let's use the other types of pencil and put the shades because it's a faster process. All right, so the shades on the left ear is almost complete, and it has a some shades in the face here. And also some shades you can see here. All right, some shades you can see on this side, also here. And the tail, the top of the tail you can see here. Now let's overlap the colors on top of the black, and it's going to be a different type of styles for the shading of the ears. Mhm. So you can see the graphical presentations of the shades is getting more colorful here. Okay, so we're putting some parts in the necklace, and you can see the band here. I'm putting the red color. Okay, so one dot, let's put the details once again. Usually it doesn't understand. Mhm. So you can see the furry appearance of the dog. It has a little bit different structures. Mhm. So it looks like the fur. Okay, and some colors in the top and in the nose. So that's the flavor. Usually it looks like that this is a female dog, and some other dogs are really cute, which is just like the male dogs here. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.